Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Henri-Luc. Today I'm going to prepare red lentil dal in pressure cooker. Pressure cookers are very widely used in India. There are several sizes depending on the size of the family. Mine is suitable for a family of 4 people. I got it on Amazon. This dish is usually referred as masoor dal. Today we will use refined coconut oil, but you can use any type of vegetable oil. We add 1 Indian green chili, 1 Indian bay leaf, pata, or 1 regular bay leaf, 1 teaspoon coriander seed, 1 teaspoon cumin seed. We add 1 onion or 2 French shallots. We add 1 or 2 inch grated ginger, a few curry leaves. Last night I rinsed 3/4 cup red lentils. I soaked them in water and with 1 tablespoon baking soda. I just rinsed them and drained them. We add them to the pot. We add 1 teaspoon mild curry, 1 teaspoon ground turmeric, 1/8 of a tablespoon asafoetida inch, the juice of 1 lemon. It's not in my recipe, but I have here some cauliflower florets. We add them. And we have between 2 1/4 or 3 cups of water. I had 3 cups. We stir. I will close the pressure cooker. Now we bring to a boil. Okay, the first burst of steam has just occurred. We reduce the heat to moderate low level between 3 and 4. We cook for between 12 and 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes. We end the cooking. Using a fork, we slightly lift the safety valve. Now we can open the pressure cooker. We are going to temper the spices. The oil fizzes. We add 3 dried hot red pepper, 1 teaspoon fennel seed, 2 teaspoon fenugreek leaves, between 1/2 and 3 teaspoon chili powder, 1/2 for me now, 1/2 teaspoon mango powder, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala. We pour everything on the top of the dal. We garnish with cilantro. This was my red lentil dal prepared in pressure cooker. I hope you like it. I personally invite you to try it. You won't be disappointed. To try it is to adopt it. If you like this video, you can click the thumbs up. Feel free to leave me a comment in your language. Also, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. Looking forward to seeing you for new videos.